If you live in Kansas City, Missouri, you can check out this plow map right here. It gives you kind of an idea as to which streets have been treated. You see a lot of green and yellow right here, especially in the core. That's good news right there. That means that plows have gone in your streets within the last 4 hours, and at least the last 4 to 8. Yellow indicates the last 4 to 8. Now orange, that means 8 to 16 or so. Purple means 16 to 24 hours. Okay, you can find this map in the link section of our website, kshb.com. Give you an idea as to when your area has been hit or if it will be at all. Earlier today, we caught up with crews in Lee Summit to get a better idea of the work being done behind the scenes and on the roads.
When the recommendation is to stay inside, snowplow drivers don't really have an option. They have to hit the road. I'm KSHB reporter Fernanda Silva, and I rode along with one of them.
All right, Mr. Terry, we're good when you are.
Michelle Wanan has been a snowplow operator for just over a year. She gained a lot of experience in January.
My very first day out on the roads was with all that ice. I was like, what did I get myself into?
After the historic snowfall, she accumulated confidence.
It just becomes muscle memory at that point.
They're all professionals now after that last storm.
Sean Graff manages the whole operation.
We've hired a lot of new people in the last 2 to 3 years. And we just haven't seen these big snows, and so they gained a lot of very valuable experience over that last snow.
Once the snow hits the ground, 20 trucks head out, a 24/7 operation until the roads are clear.
I've got my plow down, and we're getting it all pushed to the shoulder. I press this button, and that's when our salt starts spreading and treating, so it's kind of simultaneous.
Michelle is one of very few women in her position in the city.
It's definitely a man's environment, I guess, but they have welcomed me with open arms. They treat me like one of the guys.
A job that drives her.
You can make a difference at any job that you're at, but this, it's really making a difference. I'm helping the people of the city of Lee Summit, and it feels really good. That's all I've ever really wanted in a job.
In Lee Summit, Fernanda Silva, KSHB 41 News.